Adjusting the bearings on the Surfrake's 8-inch and 3.5-inch idler rollers. You'll need snap ring pliers and the new shims. Once you've determined a roller needs adjustment, remove it from the machine and put it in a vise. Utilizing a pair of snap ring pliers, remove the outer snap ring on the face of the roller. Once removed, take the top cover off and clear excess grease to expose the inside snap ring and shims. Remove the inner snap ring with the snap ring pliers. Next, install the additional shims into the roller. Use as many shims as necessary so that the snap ring fits firmly in place. Once the appropriate shims are in place, reinstall the inner snap ring. Confirm that it is firmly seated inside the groove of the roller shaft. Lastly, install the outer cover and snap ring. Confirm that it is seated inside the groove of the roller. Recheck the roller for any play. If there is still any unsteadiness, you must add additional shims. Once finished, reinstall the roller back onto the machine.